Hey everyone, did you know the average lifespan of a MacBook battery is only about 3 to 5 years? That's not very long for such a premium device. But what if I told you that you could make yours last way longer? Stick around because I'm about to show you how. In this video, I'll share some essential, easy-to-follow tips that will help extend the life of your MacBook. We're going to make sure it stays efficient, reliable, and powerful for years, saving you from a costly replacement. Let's be real. It's super frustrating when your once speedy MacBook starts to slow down, or when the battery drains in what feels like a blink of an eye. Many of us just accept this as normal, thinking we'll eventually need to spend a lot of money on a new battery or even a whole new laptop. But these performance issues and battery degradation aren't inevitable. You can actually fight back against the clock, and it's easier than you think. A lot of the time, the problem isn't the hardware itself, but how we use it day to day. Simple changes can make a huge difference, so let's get into what those are. First up, let's talk about optimizing your battery settings. Head into your system settings and look for the battery section. Make sure optimized battery charging is turned on. This feature learns your daily charging routine and waits to finish charging past 80% until you need it, which reduces battery aging. Next, manage your background processes. Use the activity monitor to see which apps are hogging your CPU and energy. If you're not using an app, quit it completely instead of just closing the window. Also, keeping your macOS and applications updated is crucial. These updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help your MacBook run more efficiently, putting less strain on the battery. Now here's the most important takeaway. It's the small daily habits that have the biggest impact on your MacBook's longevity. Think about your screen brightness. Do you really need it at full blast all the time? Lowering it to a comfortable level can save a surprising amount of power. The same goes for keyboard backlights. Also, be mindful of how many apps and browser tabs you have open at once. Each one consumes resources. By simply being more conscious of your usage, you can drastically reduce the wear and tear on your battery and processor over time. So, to wrap it up, by optimizing your settings, managing your apps, and adopting a few simple daily habits, you'll not only boost your MacBook's current performance, but also significantly prolong its overall lifespan. If you found these tips helpful, drop a comment below and share any of your own tricks for keeping your MacBook in top shape. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips to get the most out of your devices. Thanks for watching.